You're sitting on your couch, casually scrolling through your phone, when you stumble upon a headline, "How ChatGPT helped me make $5,000 in 3 weeks." Your first thought, yeah, right, another gimmick. But what if I told you this isn't just clickbait? It's a real, actionable strategy that turned my spare time into a serious income stream in just 3 weeks. You might think it's impossible, but trust me, AI isn't just for tech geeks anymore. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or even just someone looking to make extra cash, what you're about to learn could change the game for you. Stick around, because this is the blueprint to unlocking a whole new world of opportunities with nothing but a smartphone and some clever prompts. Ready to see how? Let's dive in. ChatGPT, the AI revolution you didn't know you needed. When most people think of AI, they picture robots taking over jobs or writing complex lines of code. But the truth is, AI like ChatGPT can be used for so much more. It's a versatile tool that's empowering creators, entrepreneurs, and even regular people to turn their skills into serious income. Gone are the days when you needed years of expertise to succeed in freelancing or launching a side business. In 2025, you just need the right tools, a little creativity, and a lot of strategic thinking. And let me tell you, ChatGPT has been my secret weapon. With its ability to generate content, automate tasks, and help with virtually any project, it's like having an extra set of hands, only smarter and faster. So, how exactly did I make $5,000 in 3 weeks? Let me walk you through the exact steps. Freelance writing like a pro, without writing all day. The first strategy I employed was freelance writing. But here's the catch. Instead of spending hours staring at a blank screen, trying to come up with the perfect words, I used ChatGPT to generate drafts. As a freelance writer, time is money. And by using ChatGPT to create initial drafts, I could focus on what I do best, polishing the writing and adding my personal touch. It was like having a co-writer who could crank out high-quality content at lightning speed. The best part? I wasn't sacrificing quality for speed. Clients loved the efficiency, and I was able to take on more projects than ever before. It wasn't just about quantity, though. ChatGPT helped me diversify my content offerings. I wasn't limited to just blog posts anymore. I expanded to social media content, product descriptions, email marketing campaigns, and even newsletters. Within just 3 weeks, I had multiple clients lined up, all impressed by the quality and speed of my work, and I was generating steady revenue. It felt like I was working smarter, not harder, and most importantly, I was finally making the money I deserved without burning myself out. Selling AI-generated templates. Once I had the hang of using ChatGPT for writing, I realized I could monetize it in a completely different way. I started creating digital products, such as customizable templates for businesses. These templates covered everything from email sequences to social media strategies and content calendars, all generated with the help of ChatGPT. It was a complete game changer. Creating these templates required minimal effort, but they solved real problems for entrepreneurs and small businesses. I didn't have to spend weeks designing intricate graphics or writing out each sequence from scratch. ChatGPT did the heavy lifting. Once the templates were created, I turned to platforms like Gumroad and Etsy to sell them. The beauty of selling digital products was that once they were uploaded, they were out there working for me, earning money while I focused on other projects. I didn't have to worry about shipping or inventory. Just upload, set a price, and market. The response was overwhelming, with many small businesses and solopreneurs jumping on the opportunity to streamline their operations with these ready-made tools. What's even better? These digital products became a passive income stream, continuing to earn money long after the initial sale. Another area where ChatGPT made a massive impact was affiliate marketing. If you've never heard of affiliate marketing, it's the process of promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. It's a game-changing way to generate income online, but like any business, it requires a consistent flow of content and engagement to succeed. With ChatGPT, I was able to streamline the entire process. The AI helped me identify trending products, research the competition, and generate content that resonated with my audience. Using ChatGPT, I created SEO-optimized blog posts and product reviews that not only attracted organic traffic, but also converted that traffic into sales. The AI helped me research trending products, generate persuasive copy, and even come up with catchy headlines. It was like having a 24/7 content machine running in the background while I focused on marketing and building relationships with my audience. As my content gained traction, I started to see more engagement and, most importantly, conversions. Before long, I was earning affiliate commissions regularly, and those payments added up quickly. But the real game changer for me came when I realized the potential of creating AI-powered chatbots. OpenAI's GPT store allows developers to create and sell custom AI bots for businesses, and I decided to jump on that opportunity. These bots can be used for a variety of purposes, everything from customer support to lead generation. After exploring the possibilities, I saw that the demand for automated solutions was growing rapidly, and businesses needed a reliable way to manage customer interactions. By combining my knowledge of business operations with the power of ChatGPT, I developed a chatbot tailored for small businesses. It helped them automate customer inquiries, schedule appointments, and even send follow-up emails. The more I refined the bots, the more businesses began to recognize their value. The best part? I sold these bots on the GPT store, where businesses could subscribe to use them. The income from this venture was incredibly scalable, with each new client paying a subscription fee for continued access. I quickly saw the potential for recurring revenue, and within 3 weeks, I'd raked in a substantial amount from chatbot sales alone. The importance of consistency and diversification. Here's the kicker. While I made $5,000 in just 3 weeks, the real secret to long-term success with ChatGPT is consistency and diversification. The key to making money isn't just about finding one thing that works, it's about creating multiple income streams and continuing to refine your strategies. ChatGPT made it possible for me to manage a diverse portfolio of projects with ease. I kept experimenting with different approaches. I refined my freelance writing services, created more digital products, and continued to optimize my affiliate marketing efforts. As I got better at using ChatGPT, I saw my efficiency increase, which meant I had more time to focus on other areas of my business. Whether it was improving my chatbot services, creating new content for my blog, or expanding into new niches, I stayed focused and consistently looked for ways to improve my income streams. The more I diversified, the more stable and sustainable my income became. And it was all thanks to the power of AI, which enabled me to scale my efforts exponentially. ChatGPT, a game changer for entrepreneurs in 2025. Looking back, I can't believe how much ChatGPT has transformed the way I work. It's no longer just a cool tool for writing content or answering questions. It's a business accelerator. The way it streamlines tasks and empowers creators to maximize their potential is truly revolutionary. Whether you're a freelancer, a marketer, or an entrepreneur, ChatGPT can help you scale your operations and turn your ideas into income. The opportunities are endless, and in 2025, it's clear that AI is here to stay. From content creation to chatbot development, the possibilities are only limited by your creativity. So, if you're still on the fence about incorporating AI into your business, I can't stress this enough. The time is now. With the right mindset and a willingness to experiment, you could be making money with ChatGPT faster than you think. And who knows? Maybe you'll be the next one sharing how you made $5,000 in 3 weeks. The future is here, and AI is the key to unlocking it. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to start making money with ChatGPT, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks to level up your side hustle. Drop a comment below if you've got any questions or want to share your own AI success stories. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep hustling and let AI work for you.